Hi guys. Wrike and Trello are two of the most popular project management solutions today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Wrike and Trello, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description. You can use it. You can start with a free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the project planning, a lot of projects fail due to the lack of clear objectives, and that's where project planning comes in handy. With the right platform and features, you can easily set your goals, create a budget, and schedule your tasks accordingly. So when it comes to project planning, both Wrike and Trello offer excellent options, depending on your preference and priorities. If you're looking for a platform with specialized project management features, then Wrike might be the better option for your team. Their unified planning system provides accurate and up-to-date information, real-time reporting options, resource management tools, and a team calendar to help you stay on track. Plus, the Wrike project details on your dashboard can be customized to show as much or as little information as you need. On the other hand, if you prefer a simpler and more straightforward system, Trello might be the way to go. With drag and drop functionalities and inline editing, you can create team spaces where your staff and collaborators can see all your tasks at a glance. Set up your boards, break down your lists into cards, and assign due dates and tasks to your team. The Kanban board system allows you to easily track pending, ongoing, and finished tasks, making it ideal for teams who aren't familiar with traditional project management software. And for the task management, tools are crucial to ensure your team is properly utilizing their time and efforts, and both Wrike and Trello offer robust approaches that cater to different teams' unique needs. Let's start with Wrike. Their advanced task manager allows you to create tasks, delegate assignments, set schedules, discuss details, and track progress all in one place. With the collaborative task list, you and your team members can have a clear view of what needs to be done, what's already been accomplished. Plus, Wrike provides personal to-do lists and idea storage tools to help each team member manage their work more effectively. Alternatively, Trello uses Kanban boards to manage tasks. You can categorize your activities into lists and then break them down into movable cards for specific tasks. You can even attach files, assign tasks to team members, and discuss the assignment at hand with them using the comment tool. With the addition of deadlines and labels, monitoring your team's progress becomes easier than ever before. In summary, Wrike and Trello both offer unique approaches to task management that can benefit different teams' needs. Whether you prefer the advanced task manager of Wrike or the Kanban boards of Trello, task management is essential for maximizing your team's productivity. And for the collaboration, both Trello and Wrike offer great solutions for collaboration that can cater to your team's unique needs. Wrike provides a comprehensive set of collaboration tools, including @mentions, email integration, cross-team collaboration, and real-time visibility for all team members. You can set up custom status updates and alerts to keep everyone on the same page about the progress of your project. Wrike also has a proofing and approval tool that simplifies the way you track the final outputs for each task. On the other hand, Trello also offers email integrations and activity logs for monitoring your team's progress. But what makes Trello stand out is its comment feature. You can leave notes on a specific card to provide instructions, clarify certain aspects of a task, or add new information that can help in accomplishing the specific task. It's a great way to keep everyone in the loop and make sure the project is moving forward. And for the pricing? With Trello, you have 4 pricing plans to choose from, each with different features to cater to the needs of individuals, small teams, and large organizations. So whether you're just starting out or you're a well-established business, there's a plan that fits your needs. First up, we have the free plan, which is perfect for individuals or teams looking to organize any project. It includes unlimited cards, up to 10 boards per workspace, unlimited power-ups per board, unlimited storage, custom backgrounds and stickers, assignee and due dates, and much more. Next, we have the standard plan, which costs $5 per user per month if billed annually, or $6 billed monthly. This plan is ideal for small teams that need to manage work and scale collaborations. In addition to all the features in the free plan, you get unlimited boards, advanced checklists, custom fields, and much more. Moving on to the premium plan, which costs $10 per user if billed annually, or $12.50 billed monthly. This plan is designed for teams that need to track and visualize multiple projects in several ways, including boards, timelines, calendars, etc. It includes all the features in the standard plan, plus views such as calendar, timeline, table, dashboard, and map, workspace views like table and calendar, and much more. Last but not least, we have the Enterprise plan, which costs $17.50 per user per month if billed annually, $210 annual price per user. This plan is ideal for organizations that need to connect work across teams with more security and controls. It includes everything in the premium plan, plus unlimited workspaces, organization-wide permissions, and much more. Now let's talk about Wrike's pricing plans. Wrike's pricing system is pretty affordable, considering all the functionality it provides. They even offer a free option, which is perfect for small teams. However, one drawback is that they cap the number of users in each pricing tier. The free version includes sample task lists for unlimited users. The team tier costs $9.80 per user per month and offers full project planning and collaboration features for up to 25 users. For larger teams, the business tier costs $24.80 per user per month and includes all previous features plus additional customization abilities and detailed reporting. And if you're a marketer or need a tailor-made system, pricing is negotiated with the client in the Enterprise and Pinnacle tiers. So choosing between Wrike and Trello depends on your business and your needs. Both project management tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, and that helps a lot, thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.